Good morning, everyone. Today we'll be looking at chapter 5 quadratic equation in one variable. Now, you might be thinking, what is quadratic equations? Okay. Now, before going to quadratic equation, let me just introduce you that in the previous class we have done linear equation. Linear equation in one variable, linear equation in two variables. We have done that. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys an example because I know many of you might not remember what we studied. So 2x plus 4 equals to 7, let's say. Okay, this is a linear equation. Why is this a linear equation? Because the highest power x has is 1. Okay, so this is called linear equation in one variable. Now there is one more linear equation in two variable, 2x plus 3y equals to 8. Now this is also linear equation, but linear equation in two variables, because the highest power is 1 still. So these are called linear equation. Now comes, what is quadratic equation and how are quadratic equation formed? When I multiply two linear equation, I get a quadratic equation. Let's take an example. 2x plus 4, okay, multiplied by another linear equation, that is x. Okay, simple x, it's also equation. Okay, if I put this is equals to 3 and this is equals to 2, if I say multiply equation 1 and equation 2, multiply both the equation. So I'm gonna multiply right hand side and left hand side with the left hand side. This is gonna get multiplied by x and 3 is gonna get multiplied by 2, right hand side. So when x gets multiplied, it becomes 2x whole square, sorry, 2x square plus 4x equals to 6. Okay, now 2x square plus 4x minus 6 equals to 0. So this is the standard form of quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is basically an equation in which the highest power is 2. Okay, you guys can see the highest power, it has the power over here is 1, the power over here is 2. When the highest power is 2, that is called the quadratic equation. Okay, in this chapter quadratic equation in one variable, we'll find out how to find the square roots, or we can say how to find the solution and roots. जो इसकी बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, सॉल्यूशन कैसे ढूंढे या रूट्स कैसे ढूंढे, ये दोनों सेम है. ओके, कभी कभी वो बोलेंगे फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन और फाइंड द रूट्स, so they are indirectly telling find the value of x. And in quadratic equation there is always going to be two values of x. Okay, we'll get back to that, but in this chapter we are going to study how to find the value of the variable that is given in the equation. Okay, now this is the standard form of a quadratic equation: ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, and where a comma b comma c are all constant term. Constant term मतलब numbers. ओके, कांस्टेंट टर्म्स है ये, ठीक है. एंड एक्स स्क्वायर and simple x, they are the variable there, that is the only one variable present in that equation. Okay, so now we are going to have a look in example number 1. What do we have to do in this exercise? The very first exercise, the exercise that is 5.1. So it says show that root 2 and minus 2 root are both solution of quadratic equation x square plus root 2x minus 4 equals to 0. You guys can also have a look at this example in your textbook as well, but I'm just gonna show you how to do this. Now I have an equation and the equation is x square plus root 2x minus 4 equals to 0. So when I say वी नीड टू चेक शो दैट रूट टू इज अ सॉल्यूशन. सबसे पहले रूट टू के लिए चेक करेंगे कि वेदर रूट टू इज अ सॉल्यूशन और नॉट. ओके, सो वी गोना चेक फॉर रूट टू. सो वेरेवर आई सी एक्स, मैं क्या पुट करके देखूंगा, रूट टू की वैल्यू. रूट टू पुट कर दिया एक्स की जगह, ठीक है, प्लस रूट टू ऑलरेडी है और एक्स की जगह क्या डाल दिया, रूट टू माइनस फोर इक्वल्स टू जीरो. एंड देन व्हाट एम आई गेटिंग, रूट टू का स्क्वायर होगा तो कितना आएगा आपके पास, टू. और टू रूट टू इंटू रूट टू टू होता है, ये हमने क्लास 9th में सीखा था. माइनस फोर, टू प्लस टू फोर, माइनस फोर, इधर जीरो आएगा, इक्वल्स टू जीरो, इक्वल्स टू जीरो. अगर ये इक्वल्स टू उसके इक्वल आगे जो उस साइड पे है, देन इट मीन्स दिस रूट टू इज अ सॉल्यूशन. or I can say root 2 is a root of the quadratic equation x square plus root 2x minus 4 equals to 0. So I can say this is the solution and also the root of the given quadratic equation. And similar with this also, you guys can put this value in the equation in place of x, and if at the end 0 comes, it means that is the root or the solution. अगर नहीं आ रहा है आखिरी में 0, then it means it's not the answer, it's not the solution, or it's not the root. Okay, for right now root 2 is the solution and the root as well. We'll be understanding example number 5 as well. Example number 5, that is on page number 58. So it says if 2 and 3 are the roots of equation 3x square minus 2mx plus 2n equals to 0. 2 और 3 दोनों आंसर है इस इक्वेशन के, मतलब x की जगह पुट किए जा सकते हैं 2 और 3, बिकॉज दे हैव सेड दे आर द रूट्स. उन्होंने दे दिया है कि वो रूट्स हैं. तो अगर वो रूट्स हैं तो मुझे वैल्यू किस किस की फाइंड करनी है, मुझे m की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है और n की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर गोना पुट 2 एज द रूट ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. तो जहां भी मुझे x दिखेगा उसकी जगह मैं 2 डालूंगा. सो 3 इंटू टू स्क्वायर माइनस 2m इंटू 2 प्लस 2n equals to 0. Okay, so what am I gonna get, 2 का square is equals to 4, 4 3s are 12 minus 4m plus 2n equals to 0. Okay, I can shift all the numbers on one side, I mean the quantity that has only number on one side and rest of the things on one side. So I'm gonna get 12 equals to 4m minus 2n. So this is my very first equation. Okay, I'm gonna make the second equation over here. Let's take 3 as the root. When I'm taking 3 as a root, I'm gonna put 3 in place of x wherever I see x in the quadratic equation. 3 into 3 ka square minus 2m or into 3 plus 2n equals to 0. Now I'm gonna get 3 3 is 9 and that is 27 minus 2 3 is 6 m plus 2n equals to 0. Okay, I'm gonna try shifting everything on one side. So I'm getting 27 equals to 6m minus 2n equals, okay, this is second equation. Now we did learn this in class 9th, that how to solve two linear equations. So these are linear equations in two variables. One is, you know, when we cancel it out, है ना, और एक क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन होता है. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना यूज अ वेरी इजी मेथड, दैट इज कैंसलिंग. सो इफ यू गाइस सी n वाली वैल्यू सेम है, सो आई एम गोना से subtracting both the equations. Okay, subtracting both the equations. So I'm gonna get 12 equals to 4m minus 2n. नीचे आएगा मेरे पास 27 equals to 6m minus 2n, but I'm subtracting, so the signs are gonna change, minus and this is gonna become plus. ये cancel out हो जाएगा. तो आपके पास क्या आएगा, ये -2m, and then over here I'm gonna get 12 में से 27 गया, that is 8 plus 7, and that is gonna be 15. 8 plus 7 is gonna be 15 minus 15, and then minus and minus can get cancelled out, and then 15 over 2 equals to m, और आप इसको 7.5 भी लिख सकते हैं। तो m is equals to 15, और I can also write 7.5. ओके, एंड देन अगर आपको n की वैल्यू ढूंढनी है तो n की वैल्यू कोई सी भी एक इक्वेशन में डाल दीजिए, यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ n एज वेल. ओके, so that's what the whole exercise is all about. Yeah, that is what the whole exercise is all about. Maybe you weren't able to see. So this is equation 1 and 2, and subtracting both the equations, I'm gonna subtract both the equations. Okay.